In the heart of Lahore, where narrow streets hum with life and dreams often fade under the weight of struggle, lived a young man named Khalid. He dreamed big, even when life gave him little. Khalid was in his final year of engineering when his scholarship was cut off. No money. No support. Just a dream, and the will to fight for it. That night Khalid remembered his father's words. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. The storm doesn't break the mountain, it shapes it. The next morning, Khalid decided he wouldn't give up. He started repairing old fans and motors in his neighborhood, using whatever knowledge he had. Days turned into nights. Khalid studied by candlelight after long hours of work. He was tired, but never defeated. Then one day, everything changed. Khalid built a low-cost water pump from recycled parts, a design that could help farmers across Pakistan. His project won first prize, and a full scholarship. He stood on stage, holding his certificate, realizing that every hardship was worth it. Khalid's story reminds us, tough times don't last, but tough people do. When the going gets tough, the tough get going.